look up for bones and muscle. Callous and mark the tools of my trade. Take a look at my face. My eyes sink back and the pupils get blacker. As they sway, the flash some light in this place. Days of my youth, they went so bad. We loved so hard, we didn't feel the cracks. We just pressed on, fly straight into the sun. We cried so bright when we were young. Life was so fast on a BMX. When you run away from them 4 a.m. My basketball, little shit came up. That's how we do, making us love. We never sleep, I still have food and run the street. We live all day and talk all night. Getting bored and enough of that, that's all I needed. When we were young, we were scared of growing up. We were scared to take a drink. We're afraid of anything at all. When we were young, I couldn't see his fucking head. But the bitch was right the end. We didn't care when we were young. When we were young, we didn't care when we were young. Peace to my family, death to my enemies. Let's go! I fucking tell you, but I'll kill everything you love if you ever try to fuck with me again. This is the story, so nothing but saying you're new to the camouflage man. It got peace to my family, death to my enemy, if the human race begin. We are loyal and protected, violence invented, terrorize the record to an end. So peace to my family, death to my enemies. Wake up! Peace to my family! And death to my enemies! Peace to my family! Death to my enemies! Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go! Try not to complain, but you know me better than that. Everything gets flawed inside of the life. My negativity is the best for me. Misplaced and lost its purity. I'm empty and I'm drowning. Guessing my way out, don't know where I'm flying. The world is like a weekend, dragging me down, dragging out, flow right down the hill. I'm falling, I keep falling. This stuff I hate, this bullshit. World is like a weekend, dragging me down, dragging out, flow right down the hill. I'm falling, I keep falling. I hope I smash in the fucking ground. They're all screaming, they're all running away. Give the piece you show, more and more every day. Like a wave of pain and hate. Coming straight for me and it won't stop. Come on, the world is like a wave that's dragging me down. Dragging my soul right down the hill. I'm falling, I keep falling. This stuff I hate, this bullshit. World is like a wave that's dragging me down. Dragging my soul right down the hill. I'm falling, I keep falling. I hope I crash in the fucking ground. Maybe I'm just going without a plan. For being a motherfucking bastard. All these years, what evil shit I've done. Coming back to fucking hurt me. Fuck this place. Fuck this fucking world. That piece of shit. No. This world is like a weight that's dragging me down. I hear my soul right down the hill. Yes, that's why I hate this bullshit. World is like a weight that's dragging me down. I hear my soul right down the hill. Yes, that's why I hate this bullshit. World is like a weight that's dragging me down. I hear my soul right down the hill. I hope I smash in the fortress. Round down. Fuck yeah! How the fuck is everybody feeling tonight? Make some fucking noise! Make some noise for sick of it all! Everything you know is a fucking bullshit lie! Look what you become! Yes, all your disgrace! As a nation with the sickness runs into the top, and we're way beyond remission. The perfect American life, the addiction, the distraction, education for their life, religious lullaby. No. Everything you know is a fucking bullshit lie. You slow it down and so dated. Wake up! Here we go again! Here's another story about a Friday night. It was a cold February Ohio night. We were headed anywhere, it's not a picture sight. Trying to get to Columbus by daylight. Quick stop from Cleveland to Peter's Camp. Big took a water stand and the rest of the band. The Friday night never go as planned. It was the last great trip and it was already in. We left town on a Friday so we could reach Camp City by Saturday. Now I'm thinking out that they really gotta find a way to get back to Southburg on Sunday. But after towing up his head from the air, with your clutch crashed out in the back of the van. But when he starts to pay, Jimmy started to fit. But you woke up from the side of Rama's kitchen. A dog in the shoulder, you were dropped up. Drop through one, driving like a back in the truck. But you grab him by the thumb and you gave his man. Cause he's the type of brother that'll go out last man. We left town on a Friday, so we could reach Camp City on Saturday. Now I'm thinking out cause they really gotta find a way. Get back to Southburg by Sunday. But your clutch locked up in a Benjamin. And the bag is smashed on the highway. We don't wanna touch what's on every day. But that's enough with the love for one day. So Walu. That's Evan on the bass. Sleep when you're in Camp City. It's bad luck with the grip all day. Don't sleep when you're in Camp City. The good of man prepared. Don't sleep when you're in Camp City. It's bad luck with the grip all day. Don't sleep when you're in Camp City. Beautiful. Check, check. Hey, Luke, can you hear everything all right? Make some noise for Martin and his crew for putting this whole fucking beautiful fest together. Emma, what do you want to hear? Emma wants to hear My Promise. This song goes out to Emma. Life betrays us. This goes out to my family back home. If you know the words, sing it loud with me. This is my promise. I don't want to live in a world where I can't keep my children safe. Sometimes I lie awake in the dark because I can't stop thinking about it. I'm too right of my little situation. I'm gonna try to test me. I just the patient. I know we'll find this road camping. It could be a lot harder than it was for them. I'm the one trying to get rid of what he's trying to get that change for them. When the day got long and the life back down, the answer seems quite clear to me. I don't wanna live if I can't be with the people that I love and the friends I make. Let it be known if I die today. Oh, you'll be the one to me. Like night to day, then I say all the things I never said. Like night to day, how all the world remember me. You are my friends and family. Like night to day, please understand what I said. I wanna that's what I'm living for. My family, my babies, and my brothers for life. You're all I have and you're all I want. Make some noise. I'm not ashamed, this is who I am. I walk on my sleep and blood on my hands. My youth is over and I have my foot. But now I gotta let it for my little one. Until I'm gone, I do whatever I can. I swear it over and over and over and over and over again. Fuck you if you don't understand. Too many of my homies die for no reason. song right here we got for sale in the back. We did a split 7-inch with Madball from New York City. A very proud moment in the history of Wisdom and Change. We have those split 7-inches for sale, Fast Break Records. This song's called Someday. This goes out to Madball, goes out to everybody that supports the small shit. Ready, Richie? This is the first time we ever did this in front of people, so forgive us. Unless it's awesome, then fucking clap. That'll be fine.
Someday, when I am dust, and dust is all I am. Someday, when the world stops spinning, we all stop living, we all get lifted. Someday, on the other side, I look back in the clouds and smile. Cause someday, love ain't close, getting close, to let it go. Someday, let's go. We're all bruised, we're all screwed. Life ain't easy, growing up was hard. We've been abused, we've been let down. I gotta focus on being here and now. Just keep moving your feet. Step on the road and it's not too sweet. Oh, I suppose I'm to right here with people like you. It's a new life, we got each other. Nobody knows how the story ends. Someday, when I am dust, dust is all I need. Someday, when the world stops spinning, we all stop living, we all get left. And someday, on the other side, I look back at the clouds and smile. But someday, when love ain't close, I'm getting close, we let it go. Someday. You're not to blame for the way I am. See my past man, I see my head. Consequences, I get this bad. I've been with you, my friend, I'm alive. I'm here now, turn on my face and 2 feet on the ground. We feel cold and breathe deep into the moment when it's so down. And I can't finally sleep. This is all I am. Someday, when the world stops spinning, we all stop living, we all get left in something. On the other side, I look back at the clouds and smile. Someday, we'll all be close, I'm getting close, but let it go. Someday. It's one for straight for a reason. Go pick up some merch if you got some loot. Smash your face. Talking me from across the room. I pray to God that you make your move. I see it on your face, you're not right. And I don't think you're ever gonna be. Motherfucker, I'm fucking out shit. Been off your mind, went in the basement. I think you went there, if you went in there. Do yourself a favor, walk away from me. What's the man? You can see the fucking quicker than your knees are weak. Next time, you better think before you raise up, try to fuck around with me. No, 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 no. Man, the face, I get you in the red. Man, the face, I put your fucking chest. put your fucking leg like you wanna put it like I'm lying down there. Not your face, should stop coming. Not your face, now you're fucking done. Not your face, you never had a chance. There's nothing you can do, you never had a chance.
Oh, good dunk. Thank you. Thank you guys so much. We got a few songs left. This is the first day of our tour with no turning back, knuckle dust strength for a reason. This is the first fucking show. So it's a very fucking high bar that we're setting here, but congratulations to all of you on making this event so fucking phenomenal. We got 2 songs left. Thank you guys so much. Fucking great fucking night. A lot of great bands. Give it up for all the bands that played so far and all the bands that are gonna play. This goes out to my Pennsylvania brothers and sisters. This goes out to everybody that travels for shows. It goes out to May, who's always represented. Back home, we call it the land of kings. We are the birds of flash back, plus a big degree. There goes the build, empty everywhere between. I just want to tell you where the fuck I'm from. The land of kings is all you lay down. I'm about to see ya, I don't know what's everything. Still must feel blood, diamond. I just want to tell you where the fuck I'm from. The land of kings is all you lay down. When I represent the big gold thing. When the horse to the ones to the mountains to the great. If you never live it, then you never understand. Think about the glory of the work in there. I represent the peaceful state. From what else to left and familiar places. God, how to have you hear my town. The beat of the way holds it down. Pennsylvania, I fucking love you. You keep me safe, you give me shelter. I dream about my home when I'm away from you. No matter where I live, I will come back to you. We are the keystone, and we're our father's died. We are the working class, we put the hope for pride. We are the keystone, that's what I'm very mad. I'm representing, we are your one. Yeah. Thank you so much. This is our last song. You guys have been fucking amazing. Thank you for supporting hardcore. Another huge shout out to Montana. If you know the words, help me sing it. I wrote this song for sick of it all. Let's sing it loud so they can hear you. This one's called Chasing the Dragon. Let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! That's all you're ready for the rich and love to take the
Let's go on over. Let's lock myself up. For the rest of my time on earth, I take the train down. Thank you so much for Wisdom and Takes with Blackbird, Pennsylvania. Enjoy the rest of the show. Take care of each other. Have a great night.